Hello everyone, your Excel wizard here teaching you today about the average function. So I'm going to come over here to my insert function or my function arguments box and I'm going to choose my average function. I'm going to hit OK and you're going to see that the average function returns the average of all of the numbers that I want. So for example, I want to find the average of the numbers 2 and 4. And you'll see that, of course, the average of these two numbers is 3. So when I hit OK, it's going to come populate in this cell A1, which when I do, that's what happens. But most people want to use Excel in a more advanced manner than that. Most people, in this example, would like to use this function to take the average of cells that are already in their workbook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit equals, I'm going to type in my function, and instead of putting in a number, I'm going to put in a cell. I'm going to click cell C1. I'm going to hit a comma, then I'm going to choose cell D1. So even though we use the same numbers as the first examples, this is different because if I change the value in this cell, the formula will update. So if I change the value in this cell to 6 per se and hit the check, the function automatically adapts because this function isn't taking the average of numbers, it's taking the average of the values in specific cells. Now again, most people want to use Excel in a more advanced manner than this. So in my third example, we have a data set large enough to where I don't really want to pull out my calculator or do this in my head. So again, I will type in equals my average function, and I will click and hold from cell A1, drag my mouse all the way down to cell A16, click the check mark, and there's your average. Of course, there are shortcuts and ways to go around this faster that I will explain in another video, but as far as the average function goes, that is all there is to know about it. If you'd like to learn more about Excel and more about formulas like this, I have all you need to know broken down into each of their own videos. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving the like button, and most importantly, thank you for watching.